So now the website is working for me. Now the problem was that you have to use HTTP version, not the HTTPS. If I just say HTTPS, it's not going to connect at all. It will refuse the connection. So please make sure it is HTTP. And why is it refusing? Because we have not installed the SSL certificate yet. And it is only working for HTTP. Let's go ahead and continue our work, and we will install SSL in this lecture only. So let's go to the panel. We're going to install SSL on the domain, and in the next lecture we will probably install SSL on the panel as well, right? So let's log in. Now here you have web, you have Proficient School. Let's click on edit, and here you will find SSL support, and here is the Let's Encrypt SSL. Now if you have purchased the SSL certificate or you want to use any other kind of SSL, you can add it right here. If you need Let's Encrypt SSL, which is free, you can use that. That's a really strong one. So let's click on save, and it will take some time. And generally, if it give you any error, in case you get any error, retry this again, but after 5 minutes. Do not try it again at the same time, otherwise Let's Encrypt may block your IP address. So if you get an error, retry this thing after 5 minutes. It says changes have been saved, which means it worked. Let's now try the HTTPS version, and it should work. This is the HTTP version. If I just go ahead and say HTTPS, and you see it is working, secure HTTPS, and you see certificate, it is valid. Let's encrypt authority X3, right? It's perfect. And let me even show you the public key. So we should have a public key right here. So it says the valid to and valid from date here, and here the algorithm is SHA-256, and I'm trying to see the public key actually. It should be here. Here it is. You see public key is RSA 4096 bits. This is a military grade SSL security. So it's a very trusted 4096. It's a very great encryption. You don't even need anything more than this for even a government site. Now you don't have to worry about the certificate expiry. It's just valid from August 4 to November 2. So that's almost 3 months, right? 90 days. But that's fine. You don't have to renew it again and again. Vesta has already created a cron job for you. Okay, it says connection is not private. Let me log in again. And it will say connection is not private because we have only installed SSL certificate or our domain name. It is not on our panel. So we need to do that later. Let's just continue. So if you just go to the cron jobs, you will see the first one, which is the new one. It is a Let's Encrypt update. So it is going to run that automatically, and it will run it. I think, yeah, it will automatically renew it for you, so you really don't have to care about the renewal of any kind of certificate. So that's all you have to do. And in next lecture I will show you how to SSL on our login panel.